हेलो व्यूवर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंपस वाला। सो गाइज, आज की वीडियो में हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं अबाउट GIBS बैंगलोर, जिसको रैंक किया गया है एट 16th बेस्ट बी स्कूल इन साउथ इंडिया बाय टाइम्स बी स्कूल रैंकिंग ऑफ 2025। और गाइज, GIBS बैंगलोर सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैनेजमेंट की कैटेगरी में ही कोर्सेज ऑफर करता है। सो गाइज, इफ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर कॉलेजेस वेयर यू कैन गो फॉर मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू। सो गाइज, आज की वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे अबाउट GIBS बैंगलोर के बारे में, तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ वीडियो के एंड तक टू नो अबाउट दी कोर्सेज, फीस, प्लेसमेंट्स और यहाँ तक कि लोकेशन और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तक की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो गाइज, विदाउट टेकिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So guys, GIBS Business School Bangalore, also known as GIBS Bangalore, was established in the year 2014. It is one of the top ranked B school as well as it is a private institute. It is recognized by AICTE, UGC, AIU as well as MHRD. It is also accredited by NAAC A grade and this college is affiliated to Bangalore University. So guys, अब हम जानते हैं रैंकिंग्स के बारे में। So although this college has not yet participated in the NIRF ranking, but it has received ranking from The Week, Business Today, Times B School, Fortune and many other rankings are also given to this college. So guys, now when we talk about the courses which are being offered in this college offers BBA as well as PGDM programs. PGDM is the flagship program of this college. The various specializations which are being offered in this college are human resource management, marketing management, financial management, supply chain management, international business and information technology. So guys, now when we talk about some salient features of PGDM, this college also offers postgraduate program in research, innovation as well as entrepreneurship. It also offers various value added programs, business mastery programs, certificate in sports management, mentorship as well as industrial visits as well. In addition to this, various value added programs are also provided in streams like business analytics, data analytics, international sales as well as many more. In addition to this college also provides global immersion program for students in various countries such as Dubai, Singapore as well as Malaysia. In addition to this, the college also offers industrial internship project as well as social internship project for the students as well. So guys, now when we talk about the total fee structure of PGDM, so the total fees of PGDM is rupees 9,50,000 and hostel fees for boys and girls is around 1,20,000 per annum. Now when we talk about admission eligibility, so if you want to get admission in this college, you must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50% and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT, ZAT, CMAT, GMAT as well as ATMA scores. When we talk about the cutoff of CAT, it is 60 percentile और हायर। सो गाइज, अब हम जानते हैं यहाँ के प्लेसमेंट फिगर्स के बारे में। तो इनका जो हाईएस्ट पैकेज है वो है 16.15 LPA एंड द एवरेज पैकेज इज 7.4 LPA। इनके टॉप रिक्रूटर्स में आते हैं डेलॉइट, KPMG, इन्फिनिटी रिसर्च एज वेल एज HCL जैसी कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज। सो गाइज, अब हम जानते हैं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में। सो द कैंपस इज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस एन एरिया ऑफ 4.5 acres with all the international standard facilities in the campus. It has spacious classrooms, Wi-Fi enabled campus, laboratories, labs and all the modern amenities for the students. So guys, अब हम जानते हैं लोकेशन के बारे में। So Yelahanka railway station is around 25 kilometers away from the campus and Kempegowda International Airport is around 40 kilometers away from the campus. So guys, this was all about GIBS Bangalore, and if you want to know how you can get admission in this college, whether there's a management seat or special seat or not, or how you can get admission in this college if you have low CAT scores, or which college is suitable for you based on your scores, based on your profiles, for all such admission related queries, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned on Campus Wala for more such informative content.